Hey everybody, this video will talk about multiplying expressions involving complex conjugates. So, these look a little bit confusing, but what's nice about complex conjugates, okay, is that we're gonna end up with some things that cancel out. So when we do this, it's just like multiplying two factors or two binomials together. We have to take this x and multiply it by both pieces. And then we have to take this piece and multiply it by both pieces. So x times x is x squared. And then we're going to minus x times 4 plus 3i. We did the minus because we have some minuses in between, not pluses. And then we're going to minus 4 minus 3i times x. And then we have a negative times a negative, so we're going to add 4 minus 3i times 4 plus 3i. Now we have to multiply this x through again. I have to do it again here. Then we have to multiply each of these pieces through. Like that. So we'll end up getting x squared. Thank you for being simple, x squared. And then minus 4x minus 3ix. Now we'll end up having minus 4x plus 3ix. Because we have negative multiplied through ends up being plus 3i times x. And then we'll end up with 4 times 4 is 16 minus 12i, actually plus 12i minus 12i minus negative 3i times positive 3 is 9i squared. Now remember, what is I squared equal to? I squared is equal to negative 1. So this is like having 9 times negative 1. So this is going to become plus 9 over here. Negative 3i becomes 0 because I have a positive 3ix. And then negative 12i and positive 12i come to 0. So I end up with x squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16 plus 9. Simplify that a little more and I get x squared minus 8x plus 25. So it comes out to be a nice little quadratic function there. Okay? There's multiplying expressions involving complex conjugates.